Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing of the 25th anniversary Grave Digger from the Monster Jam Series 34. Let's go ahead and check out the other trucks in this series. On the back of the card, let's start off with Grave Digger. He is in Legacy Trucks. Then we got Blue Thunder, Kraken, Maximum Destruction, Pirate's Curse, Crustacean, Lucas Stabilizer, Megalodon, and Soldier Fortune. Let's go ahead and unbox the 25th anniversary of Grave Digger. Out of the package, here it is. Look, we get gray wheels and then purple beadlock rings, black tires that do not have the BKT white lettering on it. We get a green roll cage, and we do get, I believe, a metal chassis base because the body is plastic, even though it's supposed to look like chrome, which it looks very nicely done, but the chassis is a metal base, and the one before it was also a metal base. Let's go ahead onto the body. Look at this. The graphics have changed quite a bit. We got Grave Digger, the name of the truck, going around here. Then the 25th anniversary down below. We get the ghost house there, and in the big moon, also the graveyard, and then since 1982. That's really small. Let me see if I can get it come up there. That's as best as it will be. But there we have the side of the truck, and then in the front of the truck, those red headlights, and then it tells you the which Grave Digger this is. It looks like number 20. Yeah, number 20 with those two X's, the purple stripe in the middle right there, and then the flames are outlined in red. And let's go ahead onto the other side of it. Here is the other side of Grave Digger. And then the back, that's what the back looks like. On top, we get flames. It looks like it is outlined in a light pink or something. And then there's the name of the truck, then the ghost, and 25th anniversary up top there since 1982. Then it says 2006 Monster Jam Racing Champion. So let's go ahead and bring out the differences between these two. You can see how much the body has changed to look like the 25th anniversary that was run at the World Finals during that year. And you can really see how the graveyard has changed. No, the Ghost Mountain is completely gone on the new version. Over here, it had the United States Hot Rod Association logo, which is gone also. And then in the front, when we turned it around right there, those flames are a different color. I'm not sure what you would even call those flames. If you can, guys, help me out, that would be greatly appreciated. Where the flames on this, you can see that are green, and then they didn't even have the number of the truck, and then also the stripe going up on the front clip there is different. And then let me go ahead up top of Grave Digger. So then you had those green flames, and then it changed also. It had white in between where the numbers are. How in between there it is white lettering, white, so you can see, and then it is none. So it's like the chrome look be in between the lettering. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the 25th anniversary of the Grave Digger. Thank you for tuning in.